I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete accounts. On Suno app, you click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Suno app. And you will click here. You click in this page. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.